10 foods that will clean your arteries naturally and protect you from heart attacks. Your immune system, sensing a problem, will send white blood cells to attack the cholesterol. This sets off a chain of reactions that lead to inflammation. In a worst-case scenario, cells form a plaque over the cholesterol, and a small blockage is formed. Sometimes they can break loose and cause a heart attack. As the plaques grow, they may block blood flow in an artery entirely. Fortunately, there are natural ways to lower the risk of heart health issues, and the following foods will help you clean the arteries. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries lower bad cholesterol and increase the good one, and a glass of cranberry juice daily lowers the risk of a heart attack by an amazing 40%. 2. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is abundant in phytochemicals which boost blood circulation and the production of nitric oxide. 3. Salmon. Salmon is a rich source of healthy fatty acids which fight inflammation, lower blood cholesterol, and prevent high triglyceride levels. 4. Asparagus. Add asparagus in your meals and you will prevent inflammation, lower cholesterol, and unclog the arteries. 5. Orange juice. Orange juice is rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins, which lower blood pressure, support the blood vessels, and prevent clogged arteries. 6. Olive oil. Cold-pressed olive oil lowers the levels of cholesterol and supplies the body with healthy fats, so its regular consumption lowers the risk of a heart attack by an amazing 41%. 7. Avocado. Avocados are full of healthy fats, so they maintain the balance between good and bad cholesterol and support cardiovascular health. 8. Blueberries. Blueberries are the richest potassium source, so they elevate good cholesterol and lower the bad one. The regular consumption of 2 glasses of blueberry juice diminishes the risk of a heart attack by 40%. 9. Nuts. Nuts are high in unsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, which lower cholesterol, boost the memory and improve the function of the joints in the body. 10. Whole grain. Being a rich source of fiber, whole grain lowers cholesterol and prevents the formation of clogged arteries. Additionally, we also suggest following the tips below in order to ensure your heart health. Start exercising at least 30 minutes daily, 5 times a week. Avoid smoking, as it severely damages heart health. Limit your alcohol intake to no more than a drink daily. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends and family. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.